Welcome to Wessex Garage's Used Cars Online. We have the Ford Kuga Zetec. This car is registered to a 58 plate. It's a 2-litre diesel with manual transmission and it's finished in grey. And some of the outside features, as you can see, are colour-coded bumpers. Got the chrome surrounding around the front grille at the top and the metal surrounding at the bottom. There's front fog lights and large front headlights there. Pull on the side to be able to show you some very good condition this car. There's no dents to the bodywork. We've also got 17-inch Ford alloy wheels with brake discs all round, and there's also very good tread on all the tyres. Got body colour wing mirrors with integrated indicator lights. Got the chrome strip underneath the windows. Silver roof rails. It's a 5-door with remote central lock-in. It's also got tinted windows on the rear as well. All around the back, we've got a colour-coded rear spoiler with integrated third rear brake light, heated rear window, and rear windscreen wiper. Bottom to an exhaust. It's very sporty. If we take a look in the boot, I'll be able to show you. Got a very large boot space. There's not much remote just getting to the back of this car. It's also got 60/40 split foam rear seats as well, in case you wanted to make some more space. 12-volt power outlet to the right, boot lighting to the left. Luggage cover here, which is retractable or completely removable if you want to. Under again, there's also a spare wheel complete with jack. Take a look inside the car now. Be able to show you, we have 3 rear seats, each with headrests. As you can see, it's a cloth interior. You've got the orange strip on the side and on the door handles, nice and colour coordinated and very modern inside. Got the black cloth down the centre. There's Isofix child seat mounts either side and the back. There's also plenty of leg room, so it's a nice comfortable ride for anyone that sits back here. 12-volt power outlet again in the centre, storage on the driver's and passenger seats, electric windows either side, and speakers in either door panel. Take a look in the front. Got to show you again. We've got the orange grab handle here. Full electric windows for the driver controls with child safety lock for the rear. It's electric wing mirrors. Again, speakers in the door panel, and you've got the forward side step at the bottom here. It's height adjustable driver seat in the same cloth finish. Storage down to the bottom right hand side of it. In the centre armrest, it's deep storage in there, and there's also auxiliary input for iPods, so you can listen to your music if you want to. A bit further on, another 12-volt power outlet, which is great for charging phones, iPods, or satellite navigation systems. Cup holders and general storage a bit further on there. 6-speed manual transmission, giving you great fuel consumption when driving longer distances. So air conditioning and heat in the front here with 4-speed fan. Got a CD player and radio with digital screen, which is illuminated orange. It's also got the digital clock there. This car does not have the key start, it's actually keyless. So you just keep the fob on your person, and you put your foot on the clutch and press the engine power button, and it will automatically start. There's drivers and passengers airbags. There's also plenty of storage in the glove compartment here, which is also illuminated. Drivers and passengers vanity mirrors, their own personal lights. Sunglass storage at the top. A nice modern dashboard here. As you can see, you've got the separate dials. In the middle, you've got the multifunctional trip computer, which shows the mileage at 68,230 miles. Again, a digital clock there and the outside temperature. This car's also got a heated windscreen. We've got controls for the radio and CD player behind the steering wheel here. Power steering, and we've got the metal finish on the steering wheel again, another modern feature. There's manual adjustable headlights in the front, and it's in very good condition inside as well as outside. It's been very well looked after by its 2 previous owners. It's a perfect family car, very spacious, also very good for fuel. Now you can go online today at wessexgarages.com and you can put down a £100 deposit on this car. This deposit entitles you to £75 off the asking price. We also have some great finance deals available on our cars at Wessex Garages, and we promise will not be beaten by any high street lender. So there you have it, it's the Ford Kuga Zetec.